can eat it when you go up.
Outside.
Bro, I don't even chat. I don't even want the food. I just want to go up. I ain't gonna lie. Huh? I just want to go up and just like hang off. What if the food fall? The food, wait, the food not strapped in. What if a bird just... Hey, I'm thinking about all possibilities. Because the food ain't strapped in. I might try to be like, what? Man, I can easily just, but I ain't gonna do it. Like, you can easily just fall out one of these things. Huh? Oh, the chicken wing? Oh, you want, Chet, should I give the cameraman my chicken wing? Should I feed his health bar or no? Oh, thank you.